New York City is known for being a vibrant, busy metropolis. It's a city that's full of energy and life 24/7. If you're planning on visiting New York City, there's a few things you should keep in mind to make the most of your trip. Here are some travel tips for New York City. Number 1. Get acquainted with the subway system. The New York City subway system is extensive, and it can be confusing for first-time visitors. However, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite simple and efficient. Be sure to pick up a map from one of the kiosks in the subway station so you can plan your route ahead of time. Number 2. Visit popular tourist attractions at off-peak times. If you want to avoid huge crowds, plan to visit popular tourist attractions like the Empire State Building or the Statue of Liberty during off-peak hours. The early morning hours are typically less crowded than later in the day. Number 3. Take advantage of free activities and attractions. There are plenty of free things to do in New York City, such as visiting Central Park or taking a walk across the Brooklyn Bridge. Do some research ahead of time to find out what other free activities and attractions are available so you can save money while you're exploring the city. Number 4. Sample the local cuisine. New York City is known for its diverse food scene, so be sure to sample some of the local cuisine while you're in town. From pizza and hot dogs to falafel and curry, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Number 5. Plan ahead but be flexible. While it's always a good idea to plan your trip ahead of time, especially if you're visiting during a busy time like summer or winter holidays, be sure to leave some room in your itinerary for spontaneity. You never know when you'll stumble upon an interesting sight or find yourself in the middle of a spontaneous parade or performance while you're out exploring the city streets. New York City is an exciting place to visit, full of interesting sights and experiences around every corner. By following these simple travel tips, you can make the most of your trip and create lasting memories of your time in this amazing city.